Let us see this problem which is related to mole concept. Finding limiting reagent. Mole concept at the rate of finding limiting reagent. When we go through this problem, what is limiting reagent? If 22.4 liters H2 gas, 22.4 liters H2 gas reacted with 22.4 liters O2 gas, 22.4 liters O2 gas to get H2O. Okay. So, being in the problem, both the reagents are in same quantity. Okay. So, for identification of limiting reagent, we have to go through the balanced equation. Okay. So, here the balanced equation for preparing minimum moles of H2O, that means 1 mole of H2O, is like this. H2 plus half O2, that means 1 mole H2 is to be reacted with half mole oxygen to give 1 mole H2. 1 mole H2. This is the balanced reaction. So, according to balanced reaction, 22.4 liters hydrogen gas required to react with 11.2 liters oxygen gas to get 22.4 liters water. 22.4 liters water. This is the volumes required based on balanced equation. Okay. So let us confine to the reactant side. Okay. Let us confine to the reactant side. Here, for 11.2 liters oxygen, 22.4 liters hydrogen is required. Okay. So, ante half mole oxygen ki 1 mole hydrogen avasram avutundi. 11.2 liters oxygen ki 22.4 liters avasram avutundi. Okay. So, but in the problem, they have reacted 22.4 liters H2 with 22.4 liters O2. Okay. So, if 22.4 liters required for 11.2 liters, for 22.4 liters oxygen, how much hydrogen is required? How much hydrogen is required? Okay, that is the question. The actual requirement is 44.8 liters. Okay, 44 required amount of hydrogen is 44.8 liters. Okay, but how much we are having here? We have 22.4 liters of H2 only. Okay, instead of 44.8 liters, we have 22.4 liters H2 only. Okay, so according to the definition of limiting reagent, the reagent with insufficient quantity is to be considered as limiting reagent. So here, being H2 gas is less than requirement, so it is called as limiting reagent. Okay, so the limiting reagent is H2 gas. H2 gas. Is it clear? So, as per problem, both quantities are same. But, based on balance equation, we require much more hydrogen than the hydrogen given in the problem. So, limiting reagent is H2O, H2 gas. Limiting reagent is H2 gas. This is the answer. So, such type of problems reveals the importance of balanced reactions. అంటే బ్యాలెన్స్డ్ రియాక్షన్స్ ఎంత ముఖ్యం అనేది ఇలాంటి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చూసినప్పుడు మనకు క్లియర్గా అర్థమవుతుంది. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ.